Good morning, vlog! We're touring a 3-bedroom, meaning in Japan, it's 2 beds and 1 cot. Here is the bathroom. If you're not familiar with bathrooms in Japan, they have the shower head outside of the tub. And look, there's Wheezy. Here is the toilet room or the bidet, which is so awesome. You're gonna love it. Good morning, Tokyo. They had 2 special moments during our meal. One time before dining session wrapped up, I want to say our time at Lotso Cafe was an hour. They had a unique way of encouraging people to clean up after themselves. I honestly, at this point, was just following what other people were doing because I don't understand Japanese. And so when I got to the cast member, in exchange for my tray full of plates and silverware, I got a sticker. One other time was right before we were going to leave. They made another announcement. And again, I was just following what other people were doing. And they were handing out a special breakfast treat, which was French toast. Good morning, Toy Story Hotel. Oh, look at the candy cane and the alien ornament. I'm gonna interrupt myself right here, and I was telling you about the vacation package, but trading it out to say that I wanted to show the walkway and entrance of Toy Story Hotel, and depending on when you're viewing this video, it may be off season. Enjoy. Oh, where's Andy's? There's Andy's footprints. Oh, that's so cute. And the toys, that's their park. Slinky Dog Park is what it's called. Okay, look at that. Oh, look at the pencils. I was so fascinated by this front desk area. The tippy top, it has a pencil and then it uses the Scrabble letters to spell out front desk. And then also the, the light bright. You've got a friend in me. Oh my goodness. And then there's like a sunglass case over to the right as part of the desk. I love it. I loved all the details in this hotel. I love that the backs and the fronts are decorated. I'm not like looking, but I'm actually not talking. Okay, so I got not ham. I didn't get ham. I got the alien for my new emo, and I can show you that later. These are cute. Oh, look at the size of a child. Okay, that's just it. This is coming on with Mickey. Oh, and here's. I wonder if it makes noises. Oh, it just makes the clicking noise. Oh, do you smell like strawberries? Oh, it does say it's scented. Are these scented? Oh, no way. Oh, okay. I thought that was open. I thought it was like a bank. Oh, this is a Toy Story Hotel merch. Okay. So, at first I thought they only sold hotel merch at the hotel, but then I saw that bag at one of the stores in Adventureland. Okay. This is Omiyagi, and I learned from TDR Explorer that it's gifts for your family and your friends to show them that you thought of them when you were on your vacation. more towels because a lot of the bathrooms, they don't have paper towels, and sometimes they'll have the hand dryer, but it won't be working. So you have to get a towel. Oh, that's cute. Oh, this is remote control? That's cute. Oh, Toy Story Hotel. How much is this? 850 yen. So right now this is equivalent to $5.57 in US dollars. Oh, here's some cute bibs. This is 3,000 yen. What is this? Here's the alien. Looks like the alien mochi. That's so cute. 1,600 yen. Oh, it's for your chopsticks. That's so cute. Here's like a bento box. Here's a little cup, like with closable cups and a toothbrush and a carry to hold it all in. This is 1,800 yen. Here's some ear headbands. That's more of what we saw in the parks. Oh, Dreams on the Go is what this is. I want to get a, oh here, no, this is Mania. I saw there, you can get a badge holder to put on your backpack or whatever. Huh. Oh, this is a cheap, it spits out the stickers. So these are called badges. I also got that from TDR Explorer. While watching his videos. I thought I was recording. Okay, this is so cute. It's a whoa. Oh, there we go. This is oh, I just told you what it is. But these are, I was like, what can you put in a zipper besides an ear headband? Or in an ear headband. But it's the pea pods. That's so cute. Okay. Oh, look, it's so you can hold your Band-Aids. Oh my gosh, what can you not put in one of these containers? Is there a zipper on the bottom? Okay, this must be like a zipper somewhere. I don't know where though. Oh, and it has an alien. That's so cute. I can't find where the zipper is. This is fun. I like how they put the lights in the ground cover. Very festive. Oh, it's foggy on the camera. Let me try to clean you up. Okay. Oh yeah, it still's over. But there it is, Penny. Look at how nice Slinky Dog Park looks.